Hello, everyone, and welcome to L&L Diamond Painting. I'm Lee. Hi.
And I'm Lenore.
And that's Lenore. We are here on a special unboxing. Some people have been waiting with bated breath to see what this is. Even Oreo wants to know. Anyway, so here it comes.
I'm going to give it the college try. Stuff is all ripped.
It's been kind of mashed up, coming from China and all.
Which it wasn't supposed to do.
Yeah.
It may take a little while to get all this mess out of there. It's all broken up in it. It's not broken.
It looks nothing like what the picture looked like. You want me to grab the box?
Yes, please.
Okay, hold on.
Because I can't get this end off.
Go ahead. Hey, look, it's a table.
Oh, it's neat, too. Pretty neat. Don't you think?
I think it's pretty neat.
Yeah, I think it's pretty neat. It'll do the job I need it to do.
Yeah, we should have thought ahead of time.
Of what?
Get the picture.
Oh yeah, no, that's okay. Unless you want to go get it now. You don't have to, though.
Well, tell you what. I'm going to take everybody out on a little ride.
Okay.
That is if I can get up out of the chair. Yes, it would. So you see my feet. That's all you're going to see. Ugh. Now it's time for the test.
This is not going to work.
Well, it's not going to work from there, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Grab that.
It's going to be hard to paint to do this with.
Well, it almost fits. That's the one she's doing. Blinded by Love.
You're pretty.
Diamond Art Club.
I'm so excited. Given to me by
Brenda.
Brenda. My mind.
Mama B Diamond Drilling. It's got 44 colors. And that's what she's going to do. So the next time you see this, doing all of this, it's going to be her placing her first drills.
Yes.
Short but sweet. She finally has her table.